Let's talk about 8 immigration consequences every immigrant should know before trying to enter the country illegally or overstaying your visa. Hello everybody and welcome back to Immigration Channel. In this video, I'm going to break down 8 immigration consequences that every immigrant should know before trying to enter the United States illegally or overstaying their visas. This is as a result of a major crackdown on immigrants in the United States, major warnings from the State Department, from immigration, from the government about the consequences of trying to come here illegally and what's going to happen to immigrants. So I'm going to break it down for you, 8 points. Make sure you watch this video all the way until the end. We'll talk about what happens to people that come here illegally, or if you overstay a visa without any choice, what's actually going to happen to you in 2025. So the premise of what the Department of Justice is saying is that illegal entry and being detained, being put in jail, and lifetime bar is no longer a possibility. It is the reality right now. And what it means is that you can see how harsh these people are being treated trying to come into the United States without authorization or overstaying their visas. It is a huge, massive campaign to get rid of undocumented immigrants and block every possibility of any person to enter the United States, even if they try to do so the legal way by applying to asylum, which I'll talk about in a second. The State Department issued a statement a few weeks ago stating something like this: any person who's trying to enter the United States illegally will face jail time, deportation, and a permanent bar from receiving visas to the United States ever. This is the premise that they see today, and they are not treating this lightly. People that are being detained, they get jail time, and then they get deported, and the chances of them getting visas is literally zero. And this is not a diplomatic messaging. This is enforcement language that we see it every single day in the news. They see this as threat to national security. Pure and simple. So let's go through the 8 points that I prepared for you to understand what's happening right now and how immigrants will be treated moving forward if they try to enter illegally or they overstay their visas. Number 1, unauthorized border crossing now lead to automatic detention. If you're trying to enter the United States from Mexico or Canada, you'll see people being arrested in large numbers, and that will continue throughout 2025 into 2026. What used to be a quiet routes, lightly monitored, is now heavily guarded and makes it virtually impossible for people to enter the United States. Many of these immigrants who try to enter the border crossing by foot are being detained and kept in detention facilities for months and months without being able to see their families or speak with their attorneys. The government is saying this is not a path for asylum. It's a one-way ticket for jail, deportation, and lifetime ban of visas to the United States. Number 2, visa misuse is now treated as immigration fraud. And this is really important for you guys, those of you that come on a tourist visa, student visa, and any other non-immigrant visa. If you misuse your visa, they're now seeing this as real, legitimate immigration fraud. If you're using your B1, B2 visa to work, or go to school, or overstay beyond the period that is allowed on your visa, you're now going to be charged with legitimate immigration fraud on your record, which means you will be barred from coming in the United States for a long time. Visa overstays are now being tracked in real time through the entry-exit system. And those of you that overstay, their visas are being canceled automatically through the State Department. Tourists who enter the United States are now being questioned aggressively about their plans or ties to the United States. If you don't have a place to stay when you enter as a tourist, they'll send you back. Emails, WhatsApp messages, and social media are now being reviewed by CBP officers, and if something doesn't add up, you'll be sent back. Once you're flagged, you're not just going to be deported like they used to do. You'll be barred under Section 212A CI, which is fraud, and that's going to stay on your record forever. All right, guys, before we talk about the next point, I want to ask you a favor. You come into my videos every single week. You're watching all my videos, but you're not a subscriber. Please subscribe to my videos, to my channel. Click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And also give us a big like so YouTube can show my videos to more people just like you. If you need help with your immigration matters, send me a text 619-483-4549 or go to www.immigrationsap.com. Leave your details and one of our team members will contact you ASAP. Thanks for watching, and let's get back to the video. Number 3, Jail time for legal entry is no longer reserved for repeat offenders. Back in the old days, if you try to come in here once or twice and they caught you, you went to jail. Now, even one illegal entry, you'll end up in detention. First time offenders who try to enter illegally are now immediately get jailed for 6 months at a minimum. And if you do it more than once, your jail time will be at least 2 years automatically before deportation. And many people that are being caught at the border right now are being charged, detained, and sent to jail. And after they serve their time, they're being deported. Number four, visa bans are now effectively permanent and publicly tracked. Once deported and lifetime banned, your name will be added to a special watch list. And that's going to be with the CBP, with USCIS, with the State Department, visa revocation registries, and DHS biometrics. So essentially, you are going to be barred for life, no chance to get another visa. A single immigration violation could lead you to a lifetime permanent bar, specifically those that use a fake passport. Number two, lie on their visa applications. And number three, made a false asylum case and you get caught. Those three things will get you barred for life. Number five, CBP agents are screening visitors at ports of entry all the time. So even if you have a visa and you show up and you're a young adult and you don't have a job and you don't have any travel plans, they'll send you back. If your visit plans are too vague, they'll send you back. Students without clear academic documents will be refused entry. It is serious out there and you need to know about it. Number six, false asylum claims are now leading to fast track deportations. If you apply for asylum and you don't have credible fear, trained officers at the border will catch you and you will be deported. There are expedited removal teams that if your case is not legit, you'll be sent back. And if they bar you for a fake asylum, it is misrepresentation and there's no way you'll be able to get a waiver ever again. Number six, voluntary departure is no longer a shield for a future return, which means if you go to voluntary departure, it doesn't mean that you'll be able to come back. The voluntary departure could trigger a 3 to 10 year bar, as you know. You'll be flagged for future visa adjudication, and it will result in denials of other family members that are in your immediate family because of your rejection as well. So it's pretty harsh, you guys. Remember, voluntary departure is not going to guarantee that you're going to safely return. It can impact your chances and possibly your family members as well. And number eight, family members in the United States could also face scrutiny because of your violations. If you come here illegally and other family members that have a green card or a temporary visa knew about it, their status could be impacted as well. If relatives gave affidavits or financial support that helped you obtain a fake visa or legal entry, their status will be also subject to scrutiny. And employers who provide fake job offers will also be prosecuted and their business will be damaged as a result. Now, remember, guys, this is in a nutshell the new reality, right? If you're trying to come here legally, it's going to be very difficult and you should never do that. There are good ways to come here. There are legal ways to try to come in. There are H2B visas, H3 visas. Speak with an immigration attorney before trying to come here illegally. And if you end up overstaying because things just happen, also seek legal counsel to see what we can do to help you get back to status, because there are ways to bring you back to status versus you living in fear or waiting for the opportunity for them to catch you and deport you. So stay safe out there. And if you need help with immigration matters, send me a text 619-483-4549. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thanks, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.